Understanding Relocation Request, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important phrase that you might come across in professional settings: relocation request. This term can be crucial for those planning to work in an English-speaking environment or dealing with international job placements. Let's break it down together and make sure you're fully prepared to use it in the right context. Relocation request refers to a formal plea or application made by an employee or an individual to move from one place to another for work purposes. This could mean moving to a different city, state, or even a country. The reasons behind such a request can vary greatly, from personal reasons like being closer to family, to professional reasons such as pursuing a new position or opportunity within the same company. Relocation requests are most commonly used in corporate or organizational settings. They are a formal way of communicating your desire to transfer to a different location within the same organization or when accepting a job that requires moving to a new place. When crafting a relocation request, it's important to be clear and concise about your reasons for relocation. Outline any research you've done about the new location. Specify how the move can benefit both you and the company. Propose a timeline for your relocation. To help you better understand how to use relocation request in real-life contexts, here are a few examples. I submitted a relocation request to my manager because the new office is closer to my family. The HR department is reviewing my relocation request for the overseas position. When accepting the job offer, I mentioned that my acceptance was contingent upon a successful relocation request. Making a successful relocation request involves more than just expressing your desire to move. Here are a few tips. Prepare a solid case. Highlight how the relocation can improve your productivity or contribute to the company. Timing is key. Choose a suitable time to submit your request, avoiding peak business periods. Offer solutions. Be ready to discuss how you will manage the transition smoothly, including the handover of your current responsibilities. We hope this video clarifies what a relocation request is and how you can effectively use it in your professional life. Whether you're planning to move for work or facing the possibility in the future, understanding how to communicate your needs clearly is crucial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English learning content. See you in the next video.